The Pfaff Passport 3.0 does have the IDT. What that is a dual feed system that allows for practically having feed dogs on the top of your fabric, not just touching the bottom of your fabric. So as you pull that down, it engages and it actually helps slide the fabric through super even. So whether you're working on fabrics that are slippery or they're going to pucker, this machine is going to have the IDT to keep the puckering, well, just so it doesn't ever show up. Heavier fabrics, lightweight fabrics, anything with batting in between. This is a great feature to engage. Now, as you select stitches and you ask the machine what foot you should be using and you touch the I button, if you see that little dot in the lower corner, that does indicate that the IDT does need to be engaged for that particular stitch and for the foot that it recommends. So for example, I have the 0A foot on, that is an IDT foot, and the IDT feet have this little gap in the back. So you need to fill that in. If you leave that gap open, things aren't going to work so great. You definitely will notice if you don't have it engaged. Now, for example, the 2A foot is a specialty foot for some of your decorative stitches where it really does not need the IDT. And so that's why this is solid. So obviously don't engage it when that is down or filled in, and only with the feet that have the opening. Even your zipper foot has an IDT opening for the back there. So probably for most of what you're going to do, you're going to have either the 0A foot on or the 1A foot on. Keep that dual feed engaged and you're going to have beautiful stitches every time you sit down to sew on the Passport 3.0.